This is the bike mine from inventor Yannick Reed, an explosive solution to prevent cycle theft. Having previously had both a bicycle and a motorcycle stolen, Yannick decided enough was enough. His answer was the bike mine, and based on what we see here, we'd say he's definitely found a way to stop a thief, not to mention wake the entire neighborhood. The bike mine uses a titanium tripwire, spring-action punch, and shotgun blank housed within a rubber-wrapped steel body. Attached to the bike with Velcro straps, the bike mine's tripwire is connected to a wheel or nearby object. When someone attempts to move the bike, kaboom! While the blast isn't lethal, the thief just might have to change his trousers. Yannick previously created the Paravello, a flying tricycle we featured on Free's lists. He's also set Guinness World Records for the loudest bicycle horn and the smallest caravan, so it's no surprise that he's created the ultimate surprise for thieves. Though the bike mine failed to reach its crowdfunding goals, thieves should probably steer clear of Yannick's place. There's no telling what's awaiting them now. Check out the Paint Bomb from British company ETA, another innovative but slightly more colorful solution to bicycle theft. Perfect for deterring a thief from completing their dastardly deed, the Paint Bomb uses a compressed canister of brightly colored non-toxic spray gel that's used by some law enforcement agencies to identify thieves. Once mounted on your fence or bike rack, the Paint Bomb stands in constant vigil over your two-wheeled transportation. If anyone attempts to steal your bike, a powerful spring contracts and causes the canister to spray its contents right into the face of the thief. To help identify the culprit, the gel will remain on the skin for up to 2 weeks unless washed off immediately. The Paint Bomb is made with a few inexpensive supplies, including a safety pin, bicycle pump, a 38mm waste or PVC pipe, 3 pipe clamps, a drill, and a handsaw. To build your own paint bomb, just follow the instructions in the video linked below. Happy hunting! Now that we've seen both a noisy and a colorful solution to bicycle theft, here's one that really stinks. Meet the Skunk Lock, an amazing device that fights thieves by emitting an odor they'll never forget. Research shows that though many bike owners use heavy-duty padlocks to protect bikes, there are still over 1.5 million bicycles stolen each year. Trouble is, most padlocks can be defeated in under a minute. But if someone cuts open the Skunk Lock, they'll be engulfed by a cloud of noxious fumes the likes of which they've never smelled before. Instead of electronic gimmicks that can be easily defeated by tech-savvy thieves, the Skunk Lock is built with high tensile strength carbon steel. Its cylindrical disc locking mechanism is impossible to open without a key, and its grinder-resistant technology makes it very hard to cut. But if someone does succeed in cutting through, the Skunk Lock's pressurized chemical deterrent will be mercilessly unleashed upon their unsuspecting olfactory glands. In other words, they'll get a nose full of the most horrible stench imaginable. So don't let this happen to you. Fight back with the Skunk Lock. Check out the Linka from California company Veloso, a new bike lock that uses state-of-the-art technology to protect your bike. By integrating the abilities in your smartphone with an innovative design, the Linka provides features not found in ordinary bike locks. Like many other locks, the Linka immobilizes your bicycle's rear wheel. So what, right? Here's the incredible part. Using an innovative smartphone app and Bluetooth technology, the Linka actually senses when you're approaching your bike and automatically unlocks itself. When you've reached your destination and walk away, the Linka engages its 9mm steel ring and locks up tight. You gotta admit, that's pretty cool. There's also a noose chain tether for securing your bike to a nearby structure. If someone attempts to steal your bike, an ear-splitting 110 decibel alarm alerts pretty much everyone in the vicinity. If your bike is actually moved, your phone receives a tamper alert. Veloso's newest offering, the Linka Leo, provides global tamper warnings and GPS tracking. While you're focusing on the important things in life, why not let Linka focus on your bike? Introducing the Light Lock Gold, a new light, flexible bike lock from inventor Neil Barron and British company Zeal Innovation. While our bikes are becoming lighter and lighter, our bike locks just keep getting heavier. With its minimalistic design, the Light Lock Gold combines innovative lightweight materials to create a strong, flexible design that's virtually impervious to damage. The Light Lock Gold's revolutionary BoaFlex core technology provides multiple layers of security, winner of numerous awards. This amazing lock has achieved the industry's highest possible security rating. Whether assaulted by cable cutters or bolt croppers, a power drill, a hacksaw, or a chisel, the Light Lock is virtually impossible to defeat. Oh, did I mention a crowbar? The Light Lock is so effective, thieves will simply look for an easier target. Now with its new wearable version, the Light Lock is even more convenient. Worn just like a belt, the Light Lock wearable includes a special lock stopper attachment and is available in different sizes. Just take it off, put it on, and go. Available in boa green, crow black, and herringbone, the Light Lock lightens your load on the road. This new bicycle anti-theft device is guaranteed to drive thieves nuts. Meet the Nut Lock, an unconventional anti-theft device for bicycle wheels. Imagine being relieved to see that your bicycle hasn't been stolen, only to discover that one or both wheels are missing. Had you been using nut locks, you'd be riding your bike instead of carrying it. Used to replace your bike's regular wheel nuts, the Nut Lock replaces your bike's existing wheel fasteners with custom-engineered nuts that can only be installed or removed with the included key, which by the way has other uses. Unlike standard hex nuts or skewers, the Nut Lock defeats bolt cutters, wrenches, or any other standard tool. Well, okay, maybe not a grenade launcher. Because nut locks and their keys are made in many different configurations, it's unlikely that even another nut lock user can remove your set. Most wheel locks have to be locked and unlocked every time you ride, but the nut lock only has to be installed on your wheel once, and that's it. Though you'll still need a lock for your bike's frame, at least you'll have your nuts and wheels safely locked. This is the BicyQ, a new smart bicycle lock with advanced security features and amazingly helpful riding tools. Installed within a few minutes on your bike's front wheel, a single charge from the BicyQ's micro USB port gives you up to 6 months of use. First, the BicyQ immobilizes your front wheel. A comprehensive smart app uses Bluetooth to unlock the BicyQ when you approach your bike and lock it when you walk away. You can also lock and unlock through the app, or by entering a code with the cap-mounted push button. If a thief attempts to move your bike or tamper with the BicyQ in any way, a 100 decibel alarm sounds, and a tamper alert is sent to your smartphone. Unlike many other smart locks, the BicyQ includes a comprehensive suite of riding features. Its ring of bright LEDs change color as you increase your speed. 4 precision sensors record speed, calories burned, distance, and more, allowing you to evaluate each ride. Made for the 21st century rider, the BicyQ is a friend to you and your bike, and a thief's worst enemy. Introducing the Auto Lock, an amazing new lightweight bicycle cinch lock from Oregon company Auto Design Works. Stronger than a cable lock, but lighter than a U-lock, the Auto Lock provides cyclists with top-notch bike security in an easily carried package. When seeing this small, thin device for the first time, most people just can't believe it could defeat a bike thief. That is, until they try to cut it. Not happening. Within its scratch-resistant covering, the Auto Lock's Kevlar-reinforced stainless steel bands will frustrate just about any type of cutting tool. Clinched within its mounting mechanism, its thermal-formed locking teeth create a super tight connection that's virtually impervious to impact. The auto lock's unique locking mechanism is practically impossible to pick, so you can be sure your bike will be right where you left it. Even when exposed to a propane torch, this tough anti-theft device holds strong. The auto lock is also effective for securing many other important items. Fully tested by professional road cyclist Jacob Rath, the auto lock has received his full endorsement. As to whether it works as advertised, that should lock it up pretty well. Which of these bike inventions do you think will torment thieves the most? Tell us in the comments section below. Remember, you can now watch Freeze Lists in Spanish on Spanish channel Freeze Lists Español. To do so, just click on this link and you will be directed there. See you next time.